Heidi Normandin. I'm the Faculty Development Program Officer. And I wanted to share a little bit about the work we're doing in faculty development. What you're seeing here is the draft mission statement that was developed by our faculty advisory board this spring. They're still working on it, but we're undertaking a strategic planning process right now. And I do want to say that I'm not the only person here at the College Fund who works with faculty. Everybody on the programs team works with faculty. SSS team members work with faculty. I think what distinguishes my position and my role is that I work only with faculty, and I work with faculty across the 35 TCUs. They don't have to be in a specific program or project. So next slide. So there are three main areas. Can you advance it to the, thank you. So there are three main areas and ways that we support faculty. As Dave mentioned, we've been working with faculty since 2004. We started off by awarding graduate degree fellowships. We still continue to offer those. So that has formed the bulk of the work that we've done to support faculty. And let me just back up just a second. My understanding is that in 2004, early 2000s, it became apparent that in order to support student success, to support TCU sustainability, and for them to thrive, you needed strong faculty. You needed faculty who were well supported, which is why faculty development became one of the very first programming areas here at the College Fund. We started out with graduate fellowships. We still have those at the master's and the doctorate level. The second way that we support faculty is that we are trying to cultivate a culture of research at TCUs. Much of the research that is out there is not from an Indigenous perspective. It does not use Indigenous research methods. The findings and the results of those studies are not really applicable or even culturally sensitive to Native communities. And so we want to support faculty in becoming the researchers. And so a lot of the work that we do is to support them in getting there. And then the third area is professional development, helping faculty to become better instructors, to better support their students, to network. They don't have the opportunity across TCUs to get to know other faculty members, and supporting their research and writing skills and publishing. So next slide. So how do faculty see their role? TCUs have a unique mission of not only graduating students who can enter the local workforce and support their communities, but their mission is to perpetuate the tribal culture, values, and knowledge. So these are just two quotes from a survey that we have open right now for faculty. And one person said that they see their role is to teach students in a way that is grounded in tribal knowledge and practices. Another person said that their role is to provide a quality education to their students that honors Dene culture and language. And how many faculty are we talking about? So we have 1,700 faculty across the 35 TCUs. I think people might be surprised to hear that number. It goes from 9 faculty at the smallest TCU up to 210. About 45% are Native and about 55% are part-time, which means that they may be a staff member who is teaching a class or two, or they are purely adjunct. So next slide. And then finally, I will close by saying some of the impacts we've had since 2004. We've done a lot of work. We've done a lot of evaluations. We've done a little bit of research, but here are just some very high level impacts: 180 fellowships, almost 70 professional development grants. As Dave mentioned, we have the TCURJ, which is our in-house kind of academic journal. We are now planning our 9th annual faculty convening, which happens every summer. So all in all, we have supported faculty at all 35 TCUs. And then finally, the next slide, just one faculty out of those 1,700. This is Danny Lukey, who's receiving a fellowship to complete his dissertation, doing some really great work in math, and developing math resources based on Dakota Lakota culture, values, and languages. So they are all amazing, all 1,700 of them, and I get excited about it. So if you ever want to talk about faculty, come see me. Thank you.
It's interesting that he teaches at Turtle Mountain. He's chalked on doing a Lakota Dakota. very diverse.
Yeah.